How to open Bank of America account online. Welcome back everyone to this new tutorial video of our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the steps that you need to do in order to successfully create your Bank of America account online. If this video sounds helpful and if this is something that you want to learn, then make sure you stick to this video till the end and let's get right into it. Let's head over to the website of Bank of America, which is bankofamerica.com. Once you're here on this website, you can see all of the accounts that you can create. If you want to create a personal account, you can choose personal or other types of account that you can create. And underneath, you can create accounts such as savings or checkings. Also apply for credit cards and home loans. Choose the type of account that you want to create. I'm going to select the savings account and click on open account. Click on open savings account and it's going to ask you if you are an existing customer of Bank of America. If you are, you can check this box. If not, click on go to application. Now your interface might be different depending upon which type of account you choose, but either way you just need to fill in the details correctly. In the first step, you'll need to enter in the details about yourself. So stuff such as your name, your date of birth, your contact number, your email address, your home address, and other stuff. So as you can see, these are the details that you need to fill in. The phone number and the email section is important. Make sure you type it in correctly because all the information and the OTPs will be sent to the phone number and the email address. If you scroll down further, you can select if you are a US citizen or not. If you are, you'll need to type in your social security number and again confirm it. If you are not, you'll need to select your country that you have the citizenship on, and it's gonna ask you if you have a dual citizen. If yes, click on yes. If no, click on no. You'll also need to type in your citizenship number. If you scroll down further, you'll need to enter in your employment status and your source of income. So type in all these details correctly, and once you fill in all these details correctly, your account of Bank of America will be successfully created no matter which type of account that you choose. So that was the process on creating your Bank of America account online. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily videos just like this. If you have any questions related to the video, make sure that you comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.